subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button beside it to get all the new updates on my channel. Thank you. Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. Today I have a product for review which I have started loving and it has become an important part of my hair care routine. So let me tell you about this product, and this product is Scent Botanica's Moroccan Argan hair serum. I was looking out for a good hair serum from long time and I feel now I have found one. So I thought of sharing my experience with you all. This hair serum is for all hair types and this is 100 ml bottle and it retails for 999, that is 1000 rupees. I know it's a bit pricey, but the quality is really good, and what you can do is you can actually keep checking online about the offers. I see that there is a 10% discount offer going on Amazon, so maybe you can just grab this kind of good products when there is an offer going on. So the shelf life of this product is 2 years, but when you open the product you have to finish it up in 1 year. That is pretty decent time. I think this 100 ml will last me for good 3 months because I just need one pump of the product. And let's see how is the packaging of this product. This comes in this kind of box, and on the box it is written that it has no harmful chemicals, it has no sulfates, it has no mineral oil, it has no parabens. So all these factors really damage your hair, so it doesn't contain anything from this, so that's a good part. So said that to be used on daily basis to see better results, and there are few benefits which I want to read out. It says that it helps nourish the hair, it protects and repairs hair fibers, it helps strengthen the hair. So let's open it and see how it looks. So when you open the box, you get this kind of bottle, and this is a plastic bottle but it's very strong, and it has a pump dispenser and it has lock and unlock facility. So it's really travel friendly. So what the bottle says is it is unique formula rich in antioxidant argan oil that instantly absorb into hair and makes hair smooth, and it gives a shine, and it delivers long term conditioning effect without leaving any residue. Now a lot of hair serums which we see actually tend to give us a kind of oiliness or a kind of stickiness after applying this, but this doesn't do that. It quickly gets absorbed into hair and just leaves your hair so smooth and manageable to use. Let's see ingredients now, and there are 2 or 3 silicone agents which is almost present in every hair serum for smoothing effect. It also has Moroccan argan oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil and olive oil. I was actually confused because it has lot of different oils, then why it is only called as Moroccan argan. There is no percentage given of the oils present, so that was the only thing was bothering me, that why it is called only Moroccan argan, but that's okay as long as the product is good. So directions for use, okay, we will see quickly how to use it, but before that I want to give you few tips and tricks and different ways of using hair serum. So basically I use hair serum when I wash and towel dry my hair. That is the best time to apply any hair serum. Actually doing this has helped me a lot, because earlier when I used to wash and towel dry my hair and then I used to comb my hair, I used to see lot of hair strands on comb, but after starting using this and then combing my hair, I see visible difference in hair fall, because I think it makes my hair strong and manageable, so it doesn't break easily. So that's the first way of using hair serum. Second way of using hair serum is before using any kind of heat equipment. So if you are using any kind of hair dryer, hair straightener, hair curler, then before that please apply hair serum, so it kind of protects your hair from heat. And third way is when you feel your hair looks too dry, frizzy, unmanageable, That time you can use hair serum to get manageable and smooth hair. Now another way of using hair serum is before hairstyling. If you do lot of hairstyling, if you try different hairstyles, then you need to use hair serum so that it becomes easy for you to work with hair and it becomes manageable. So hair serum actually protects your hair from heat and dust, so it's actually beneficial. And few hair serums like this will have a lot of nourishment factors like argan oil, almond oil and everything, which is actually good for your hair. So these are different ways or different occasions wherein you can use hair serum. Now we will see the consistency of hair serum and how to use it. So I will just take just a half a pump. This is the consistency of the serum. It's not too thick and not too runny. Just rub and just apply it to your hair length. Don't ever use hair serum on your scalp. So just work with your hair length and you're good to go. So this is the way you have to massage. So after applying hair serum, you will feel immediately a great difference. You will feel your hair looks so smooth, soft and manageable. So this is the way how to use it. So to summarize, I feel this is a good hair serum and it works well on my hair, so you can actually give it a try. So that's all about this hair serum, and I'll come back again with another review or another makeup video soon. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.